Hello again, welcome back. What I want to do is to look at sourcing technical information, okay? And again, you need to read the information for yourselves, do some additional research, ensure that you comply with the IE regs as it is at that point in time. Now presently we're dealing with the 18th edition of the IE regs, IET regulations, okay? Now bear in mind that there is possibility of some amendments being made to the 18th edition, as we don't quite know what's going to happen with Brexit as yet, okay? So keep that in mind. Now I don't need to do a lot of talking in these because they're quite self-explanatory. And once you read the information for yourself, it tells you what it's about. Okay? So you don't need me to be reading all this out to you. It's relevant. Okay? Now again, please do the questions as they come up, okay, at all times. Okay, thank you. I hope you find this useful. Bye.